Hi, my name is Jason Gray. I'm the business representative for IBC Local 32, Atlanta, Georgia. Right, for guys coming in nowadays, the process is you'll come in through an apprenticeship drive. You'll come in, you'll take an aptitude test. Upon completion of the aptitude test, we'll bring you in and interview you and rank you on a list. Once that list is established, we call you to go to work. You go to work and you'll start our apprenticeship program. It's a 5-year program. While you're working, you're also getting on-the-job training. That'll help you be better ready to take the mechanics test once time comes. After the 5-year program, you're set, take the test, and you become a full-fledged mechanic. Right, anyone coming in the trade now will make approximately $22 an hour. Their pay increases as they go through school. So for every 2 semesters of school you complete, you get a pay raise up until you've finished all 4 semesters and you are topped out at the 80% range. From there, you need to take the mechanics test, pass the mechanics test, and then when someone passes the mechanics test, they'll top out at approximately $45 an hour. Has a lot of opportunity for advancement. We have a lot of, anywhere you see construction going, you see elevators, there's a need for elevator mechanics. So our future is definitely solid and stable. Anytime you see something like this, buildings going in, there's going to be a need for us. We have very good training. We have great, we have the great safety training also. So what we do is, it can be dangerous at times, but we do put a lot of emphasis on safety, and we have a good future ahead of us. Here is going to be a self-motivated person who can be punctual, on time, critical thinking. A lot of critical thinking takes place when we're out on the job. There's a lot goes into putting an elevator in, or installing an elevator, servicing an elevator. So you've got to be able to think on your feet. You got to be fast-paced and willing to be independent. Work by yourself at times, but definitely motivated, self-motivated, and willing to learn. Right now, when you start, typically guys starting today will start in construction because we have a lot of construction going on. But from there, you can definitely move into modernization, which would be the redoing, pulling out, and repair of older elevators. You can move into the repair department, which is any kind of elevator that breaks down but has to be repaired. Or ultimately, most guys' goal is to get into the service aspect. Service is where you are now taking care of existing elevators, taking care of buildings that have multiple elevators, taking care of a route that has a lot of elevators. So the career path can go a lot of different ways, depending on what your skill set is and what you want to do. Just handling the stress. Because depending on where you are, whether it be construction, service, repair, there's always a certain stress level. With construction, it's getting the job in on time and being safe. With its service, you have elevators that are broke down and people are relying on you to get the elevator up and running. So I would say stress could be the toughest thing about this, but if you apply yourself and you know what you're doing, it's typically not that bad. There's no books out there. There was never a book I found for Elevator 101, but websites, the educational website we use would be the National Elevator Industry Education Program. That website does give some information on what to look forward to, what you can prepare for, and what to find and consider when thinking about this trade.